How to fix command prompt not opening / working on Windows. 1. Open CMD at local disk, see Windows System 32, as administrator. 2. Use Task Manager to start command prompt. Create this task with administrative privileges. 3. Run sfc/scanno command in PowerShell. 4. Run dism in PowerShell. Commands include dism/online/cleanup image/check health dism/online/cleanup image/scan health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health 5. Update Windows. 6. Disable your antivirus software. 7. Switch to a different user account on your Windows. 8. Use PowerShell. 9. Reset or reinstall your Windows.